What a project. Hey guys, thank you for coming back. So today we are talking about two of my favorite hair companies. One is Yummy Hair Company and the other is, I'm a hair barb, Kendra's Hair Boutique. I've had these frontals in my collection and I'm finally in a space that I could actually create. So over the next few weeks, I will be taking these frontals and making wigs with some hair that I have for some popular companies here on YouTube. And we will actually see how these hair survive after owning them for a few years. Yes, I say a few years. I've had some of these hair in my collection. I just didn't have the right setup, and now I have the right setup that I can share with you so you can see my experience and whether it's worth making the investment. 2 years later, would I have made the investment? Well, let's talk about it. Both frontals are 3-way parting in the middle and on 2 sides. And the one from Kendra's Hair Boutique is a natural wavy. Can you see the parting? And the one from Yummy Hair Boutique is their natural straight, which does have a slight wave in it after having it in the bag for some time. So I wanted to go over what I thought about these two frontals. I got them both on sale, so you're gonna have to check in the description below to see how much I paid for them. But I've been doing a lot of reviews here on YouTube at the time and decided on one frontal, and then I found some hair I thought I'd lost, so I invested in a second frontal yet to make the wigs, but it's coming soon. So I want to go ahead and show you this is Kendra's Hair Boutique. I believe Black China is part owner in this company. This is their natural straight, which has a slight wave to it. The tint on the lace is supposed to be transparent, so it can fit any skin type. And I must say the edges are pre-plucked. Now you would go in there and do a little more customization based on your own personal hairline. The second frontal I have is from Yummy Hair. It is a light brown lace, and the first immediate difference I saw is the darts hair. The 2 darts, one on either side where you would put the back of your head. This shows me that they're offering a little more customization. But if our head is not the average size, is this the best frontal we should be purchasing? See, it already has that concave customized darted section for your hair. So because I got both frontals on sale, I really wanted to know in the future which frontal I liked and would be interested in repurchasing from the company. Now the Yummy Hair frontal, the hair is fabulous. You can run your hands through it. I'm not getting I got 3 strands of hair. Now to be clear, the hair was stored in the bag in a Tupperware, but yeah, that may have just been the initial. I'm not getting any more. I'm not getting any more fallout. The hair, as you can see, is in a natural state. I got it in a natural 1B. There is bounce to it, even though it has been in that packaging for some time and some movement. So I'm really glad to see that. I feel like I'm in school with a project. Okay guys, so I'm gonna turn. I am going to hold up this lace against this whiteboard, and you can see the edges. The edges look pretty nice. They're a little more thicker, I think, than the Kendra's Hair Boutique, and they do look good. You can go ahead and customize them if you need to get the best look. And then Kendra's Hair Boutique, This is her lace. It's a little more transparent, so you should be able to work on various skin tones. And the lace, the hairline is more customized than the Yummy, but you can still go in there and pluck to your heart's desire. But the hair is beautiful as well, natural straight state, and I believe I had this hair for 1 year. It's been, yes, in storage, so it's finally out. She's gonna make an appearance. Beautiful straight hair, still has nice movement to it. I will try to get a little more closer comparison for you, and let me know what you guys think. I would wear a size large in a wig, so I really do prefer the flat edge that I can customize to my hairline as opposed to Yummy that's already pre-darted for me. I'm hoping that the hump matches the curvature of my head once I make the wig, but they are both 13 by 4, just your average size, and they both look great. I really like the lace on the Yummy hair, but I'm concerned about the darting hair, if it's gonna fit my head perfectly. I may end up trimming this, but we will see. So have you guys used any of these frontals before from either company, from Kendra's Hair Boutique or from Yummy? If you have, let me know what you think. What tips did you find? What worked for them? What products worked for them that kept them alive, bouncy, and healthy? That's one thing I like about Yummy hair. If you care for it, it looks great years after. I can show you a hot mess of a wig. Everybody laughs when I wear it, but the hair, the curls are so cute. I don't want to get rid of it, and I've changed the closure twice on this hair, but it's the Yummy. It's the Yummy deep curly. Yes, honey, she is full of life, giving me Diana Ross vibes. If you guys are interested in seeing me rehab this wig, let me know in the comments below. I've had this hair for maybe 4 or 5 years now. That shows you the testimony of Yummy hair. So I'm so glad I made the investment back there. I continue to care for the hair. There's certain products that work better with this hair, so if you guys are interested to see how to care for your Yummy deep curly hair, how to revive and bring it back to life, let me know and hit me up in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Laverne and this is Loved. I'm hugging it like it's my own chia pet. It's my own little chia pet.